Welcome back to Hogtown Homestead. Like, share, and subscribe if you feel so led. On today's episode, I'm going to fix that, I guess on camera it's a little different. I'm going to fix that footing. The windstorm that this chicken tractor endured a couple weeks ago split that footing where you attach the wheels. I know it's been a while since I've posted an actual video of homestead stuff, so I'll give you some updates. First of all, I just want to say, I understand that the John Deere Cub Cadet comparison was not an apples to apples comparison by any stretch of the imagination. Both were designed with different markets in mind, and the S180 is one step down from a commercial grade mower. And so that is a huge difference. So it wasn't really a fair comparison. I was just trying to compare what I had with what I got. And so, obviously the S180 is going to be far superior just because of how new it is to the Cub Cadet. As you can see behind me, I have mowed this section of pasture up on the top of our hill. And to give you an idea of what it looked like before, if you remember, we had super tall grass before, but this is what it used to look like right here. And that is what it looks like now. So I think it did a pretty good job. It took a while because, again, what I need is a tractor and a bush hog. So if I have any wealthy subscribers that want to donate one, let me know. Or here's another thing. Why don't you all give me some recommendations on what tractor to get? I'm looking at a John Deere 3025 D or E right now. We just can't afford it. So in that price range, which is $19,000 to $24,000, in that price range, what would be your recommendation? Because I've also been looking at a Kubota L2501, which is very similarly priced. So let me know which tractor you would prefer to have if you were spending your money. Now I'm going to get to work on this. So here we go. To give you an idea of what we're dealing with, this is the split in question. And what that has caused is when there's any weight put on this, on the wheel, this thing is not as mobile as it could be, and this actually gets wedged in there. So that's what we're gonna fix today, right now. The first thing I'm gonna do is clamp it so that I can close that up. And put it back to where it's supposed to be. And then anywhere that I saw that split, I'm gonna drill holes so it starts here. And now I'm gonna do one more. That chicken's angry because there's a broody chicken in one of the nesting boxes. Now I'm going to attempt to round up the chickens and put them in there because they do have to be moved today. So here we go. There's 2 in there. The rest of them are just running away. Come on, Boris. All right. Now it's just Ludmila and Boris left. And Boris doesn't like being told what to do. You know, he bit me the other day. Hey, we did it. That's awesome. I think I'll just move them that way. Right there, put them on some fresh grass, newly cut grass. They love scratching through that stuff, so that's where they're gonna go. There you have it. Now I can get the S180 and mow where they were. So I'll show you what happens when you leave a chicken tractor in a place for an extended period of time. You might have already seen this, but this is what happens. So that is where their waterer was. And this is where the chicken tractor was. We're not overly concerned with that because we've done this before where we've left a chicken tractor in a spot for an extended period of time. And that spot is the result. So there's still some bare ground on it, but it's super green and lush where things are growing. So my recommendation is don't do this unless you intend to plant a garden right where you left the chicken tractor. But sometimes, you know, with my work schedule, it became pretty difficult to do farm chores So, and the only reason I'm able to do some farm chores today is that there was no power at the school. So school was canceled. So anyways, I'm gonna mow this now. Well, that's going to do it for today's episode here on Hogtown Homestead. Once again, like, share, and subscribe if you feel so led. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.